Okay, I'm gonna clean up this whole area because we're gonna build a deck out here. Some steps that go out that way. I'm gonna put some tarp down, some landscaping tarp, level it all out to get started on that. All right, if you like this video, we are fixing it with the longs, and say you like and subscribe. Okay, continuing on with this, I'm gonna throw all those weeds I dig up into our wheelbarrow, take it out to the burning pile. There, did you? All right, phase one. What I'm gonna do is take this railing down and extend this deck out. So I'm gonna build a frame in front, a footing and a deck frame from that point clear out to the corner of the house here and build a new fence on this side. Okay, I'm gonna level all this off and get it ready for building a foundation and a footing for a deck. Move these steps to the front over there. And then I'm going to put up a gate so the dogs can't get out take that thing down, and we'll have access to the front yard, which would be nice.
Take all this railing down. Probably going to leave these posts though, and just take the center pieces out here, and then I'm going to clean this deck up, and I'm going to make a new deck going clear out to here. I'm going to put a new fence over there, and I'll tell you what, I'm Mike, and I'm fixing it with the long bro. Yes, sir. Just keep watching this video, and you're going to enjoy the living snot right out of it. I'll tell you that right now. All right, let's get with it. Okay, what I've decided to do is I'm going to take these screws out right here.
But I want to leave these posts up because I'm going to be building a canopy top over this with a nice trusted roof and about 25-degree slope on it, I imagine. But anyway, I'm going to try to save all these posts, and I'm going to router them and fix them up to be real nice looking. I've got to clean all that up right there. Probably ought to do that. And I got to probably take that and clean that up first. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Cleaning the deck up.
Put my gloves on, lift up my sleeve. Got my faithful little doggy out here, Alize. She's been with us a long time, haven't you, Al? Yes, you have. You're a good girl.
Well, the last load I dumped over this corner. So Steve brought this over here and we're going to throw the shit in there. All right, got that part cleaned out. Now I'm gonna blow it off.
Right, Al?
That looks better. Okay, we took a number 2 square head bit. So I'm gonna see if I can get these off. Not a problem. Rid of all these posts down this line, and I'm going to dig some post holes for the fence here in front of this fence. That's the neighbor's fence, so I'll probably dig post holes in front of it. So that's what I'm going to do today, get started on that. got a big project ahead. So here's a crawl space underneath this part of the house. So I got to build a hatch in the deck for that. All right, got a lot of work to do. So I just thought I'd say that before I started. You want 16 inches wide by 23. Okay, I got 5 holes dug at 27 inches deep. And I'm going to put some gravel in the bottom and fill the rest up with concrete and a 4x4 10-foot post. And I'm going to build an 8-foot fence. And so I can be 3 feet away from the property line. I'm going to cut the deck off right here where the string is. So I got to snap a line across there, then I'm gonna cut that corner off of that deck. And then that's how far the deck's gonna go out. So I got my skill saw, I got a snap line, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I need Steve to help me snap the line. Then I'm gonna cut the deck. All right, here we are. We're fixing with the long bros. Yeehaw, there's Steve dancing. All right, I'll tell you what, here we are again. And fixing it with the long bros. Yeehaw, and we're going to cut a lot of this off right here, this deck. Steve's going to help me snap a line. And then I'm going to undrill the places I need to undrill so I don't cut my saw up. All right, Steve, get over there and hold this line just right here like that, right with that string. I don't want to get my pink shoes wet. That's a good line you did. Get away from that hole!
Walking around the hole. Lingering around the hole.
Dig it out of there anymore.
Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Burvolt, careful. that's good. I cut the end of the deck off and gave us less room.
I'll be careful.
Gave us less room than we had,
Yeah.
which the idea was to have more. But I had to get 3 feet away from the property line, which I think I'm well within that margin. And this line here is for the posts, the fence posts, which I'm way in from the fence line. Anyway, we're way within the margin of property problems with the city or whatever. Burble, quit. Here, get over there. Get over there with Steve.
Burble, get up here. Come on. Come on, get up here. Come on. Come here.
Al, move your foot. Move your foot.
Come here. Come here, mister.
He said,
Oh, then you give up on him and he jumps up. Typical teenager.
yeah, that's a pretty good line.
Yeah, it is.
All right, more to come. We'll straighten up the post, make it perfect. But that
Take care of this before the dogs do.
that's just a good idea of what's going to occur. All right, more to come.